is the art of giving the same name to different things. Written by Henry Poincare. Hi dear children, welcome back to Gurudeva Online 6th Standard Mathematics class. I am Niranjan H.M., 10th period, playing with numbers. Dear children, in this session, we will discuss about highest common factor, means HCF. Okay, what is the meaning of HCF or what is HCF? Dear children, HCF is nothing but the HCF of two or more numbers is the product of the common prime factors. Very important point. Product of the common prime factors, and one more note. HCF of two numbers is the greatest number that divides all the number without leaving any remainder. Very important point. Without leaving any remainder. I mean, it means we will get 0 as the remainder. Okay, Choto? Next, if the HCF of two number is 1, then we can consider that those two numbers are co-prime numbers. Okay, if we get 1 is the HCF, 1 is the HCF, those two numbers, then the numbers are called co-prime numbers. Okay, let us understand the HCF by the examples. Yes, before going to understand the example, before going to learn the example, the HCF we can we can call as GCD. What is the meaning of GCD? GCD, greatest common divisor. GCD, greatest common divisor. And HCF can be find by two methods. The first one is listing the factors and second one is prime factorization. We will know both two methods. The first one is listing the factors. This is method number 1. Okay, listing the factors. And this is method number 2. Let us take example 15 and 25. Find the HCF of 15 and 25. Listing method. Listing method is very easy. Solution. Factors of 15. First line is factors of 15. Second line is factors of 25. Observe Chotu, which are the factors of 15? The factors of 15 are 1, 5, 3 and 15. Factors of 25, 1, 5 and 25. Yes, let us find the common factors. Common factors. Which are the common factors in these two numbers? Observe here. Here is 1. Here is 1. 1 is the common. Come on. Next, 5. Here is 5. Write 5 one time. Any other common numbers? No. So 1 and 5. Dear Chotu, what is the HCF? This is the question. What is the HCF of 15 and 25? So the final statement or final line is HCF of highest common factor. Okay, observe here. Highest common factor. HCF of 15 and 25. 15 and 25 is, which is the HCF of given problem, which is bigger number. Observe here, 5 is the bigger digit, so 5 is the bigger number. So HCF of 15 and 25 is 5. Just you may observe, 15 divided by 5, it is possible. 25 divided by 5, it is possible. So this is the highest common factor of these two numbers. Okay, Choto. See, this is the almost, these three are normal method. Just we have discussed in last periods. Normal method. This is what the extra line. Okay. This is the listing factorization method. I mean listing factor method. Let us solve the same problem in the form in the other method. That is what factorization, prime factorization method. Same question. Find the HCF of 15 and 25. Okay, 15 and 25. As usual, solution. Okay, solution 15, right? 15. Okay. Prime factors, concentrate prime numbers. So to observe here, 5, 3 ja. Next, 3, 1 ja. Yes, we got 1. Just you may stop. Next, 25. Just all of you recall prime factorization method. This is what the prime factorization method. 5, 5 ja, 55, 25. Next, 5, 5 ja, 25. Next, 5, 1 ja, 5. Yes, we got 1. Just stop the problem. Yes. Factors. Just you may write here 15. 15. Here is 5 into 3. Okay, Choto. Next, 25. Right, 25. 5 into 5. 5 into 5. Clear? Yes. Which is the common number here? Yes, 5 is the common. Here is 5. Here is 5. Okay, Choto. 5 is the common. So HCF of 15 and 25 is 5. Observe here. Answer is 5. Here, right side, this is also answer is 5. So the methods are changed. Clear? Different methods, answer is same. So we can find HCF by two methods. This is the listing factor method. This is prime factorization method. While you're solving the problem, while you're finding HCF, you may use any one as your convenient. Clear? If you convenient listing method, you may solve. You may follow listing method. If you convenient prime factorization method, you may follow prime factorization method. No problem at all. But the final answer is always same. Okay, Choto. Let us move about one more problem. Find HCF of 6, 12, 18. Yes. Observe here. Solution. First method. I will solve first method as well as second method. Okay. First method. Factors of 6. Factors of 6. Which are the factors of 6? 1, 3, next 2, next 6. In the table 1, 6 comes. In the table 3, 6 comes. Table 2, 6 comes. These are all the factors. Next step is factors of 12. Factors of 6 clear. Now factors of 12. Which are the factors of 12? 1, 2, okay. Next 4, next 6, next 12. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 6, and also 12. Next one more is 3. Okay, these are all factors of 12. Final statement. Factors of 18. Which are the factors of 18? Observe here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, next 18. These are all the factors of 18. What is the next step? Common. Find common factors. Common factors. Common factors. Which are the common factor? 1 is here, here, here. So 1. Next 3. Here is 3. Here is 3. So 3 is also common. Next 2, 2, 2. 2 is also common. Next one is 6. 6. Here is 6. 6, 6, and also 6. 6 also common. Here is 12. Here is 9, 18. No common numbers other than 1, 3, 2, 6. Observe here, Chotu, in the common factor, I mean in the common numbers, which is the highest number, which is the greater number, which is the biggest digit? So the biggest digit is 6. The 6 is the HCF of given number 6, 12, 18. Observe here, Chotu. HCF of 6, 12, 18 is, which is the HCF of 6, 12, 18? 6 is the HCF. You may divide 6 divided by 6, you will get 0 is the remainder. 12 divided by 6, 0 is the remainder. 18 divided by 6, 0 is the remainder. So that is what the note. The HCF of two numbers is the greatest number that divides all the numbers without leaving any remainder. Without leaving any remainder is nothing but remainder is 0. Okay, remainder is 0. We will get 0 as the remainder. Okay, I'll show. Observe here. 12 divided by how much? 6. 6. How much is 12? 6 2 ja 12. Okay, Choto? 6, 0 is the remainder. We won't get rather than 0. Are you clear, Choto? Yes, as the same way. See, 18, 6. And one more important thing. 6, 12, 18. HCF is 6. Any other number, bigger number, divides these three numbers. No other number. That is what the main meaning, important meaning of HCF. HCF is nothing but the given numbers. Which are the given numbers? 6, 12, 18. It divides 6. This is the highest number. No highest number than this one. Are you clear? 7 can't divide 3. 8 can't divide these three numbers. 9 can't divide these three numbers. 10 can't divide these three numbers. One and only 6. 6 is the highest. But see, what about 2? It can divide. 3, these can divide. 1, these can divide. So my point, I mean, our today's class important class is we need to know about the concept. We need to learn the concept about highest common factor. Highest common factor. I would like to recall once again. These three numbers can divide 6. This is the highest number. No other number can divide these three numbers. I hope you have cleared. Okay. Observe here, Choto. I will solve the same problem in prime factorization method. Solution. Find the HCF of 6, 12, 18. Observe here, 6. 3 2 ja 6. Next, 2 1 ja 2. Yes, I got 1. Just I stopped the problem. Next digit is, see, observe here, 12. Okay, 12. Take it 12. See, 4. No, don't take 4. Choto, observe here. 3, 4 ja 12. Okay. Next, 2 ja 4. Next, 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2. Are you clear? Next, take a 18. 3 6 ja 18. Next, 3 2 ja 6. Next, 2 1 ja 2. Are you clear now? See, 3 6 ja 18. 3 2 ja 6. 2 1 ja 2. This is what the prime factorization method. Observe here. Next one is write 6. Collect the factors 3 into 2. Next, write 12. 3 into 2 into 2. 3 into 2 into 2. Next, 18. 3 into 3 into 2. 3 into 3 into 2. Okay, dear children, observe it. Which are the common factors in the given numbers? Observe here. 3 3 3. This is the common. Write one time. Okay. Common factor. So 3 is the common. Write one time into. Next, another number is 2 2 2. observe 2, here is 2, here is 2. So, what is the product? 3 2 ja 6. Okay, the final product is highest common factor. I mean GCD, greatest common divisor. So therefore, HCF of 6, 12 and 18 is 6. Are you clear? See, here is 6, here is 6. Methods are different, but answer is always same. So this is the very important concept of HCF. Very important concept. Okay, Chotu, this is first method, this is second method. We can divide the given problem like this. Observe here, 6, 2, 18 at a time. It's not a problem. It is also one of the method. Okay, but major method, these two. You may divide directly. No problem at all. See, all of you concentrate on these problems. One more important thing, don't write in your notes. Today class, there is nothing to write in your notes. Okay, this is for your understanding. You do one thing, take these problems in rough work and solve once again. Okay, these and which I have solved before going to second problem. First problem, don't write in your notes. I hope you have understood the given concept. The HCF is nothing but that is the highest number to divide the given numbers. This is what the very simple line. Okay, Choto? Yes, I will meet you in the next video with exercise 3.6. Until practice again and again, watch a video once again. You will become too perfect. If you perfect right now, 7th standard is dead easy. Dead easy, very easy. And I hope you have understood in the 5th standard. It's easy to understand in the 6th standard. Let us meet in the next video. Until, have a nice day. Thank you.